Now we are going to see about string in C programming. First of all, what is string? String is collection or group of characters, or we can call it as array of character ended with null character. In character array, if you write the single character and then you will write inside the single quotes. But string is a collection of characters, so you should write inside the double quotes. Next, syntax for this string. At first, char, that is character data type. Here you should not mention like data type because string is a character array. Then string name, this you can give any name, and inside the square bracket there is a size of the string. For example, if the size of the string is 10 means, then you should write 11. The extra one is for the null character. In string you should allocate the memory to null character also. If you know the exact size of the string means you can give the size, or else you can leave it as empty. Here char a of 3 equal to high. Here the size of the string is 3. Here the 2 bytes for high and the extra 1 byte is for the null character. Here each character in the string will be allocated in the continuous memory location like an array. And the next one is format specifier. The format specifier for the string is %s, s for string. Here I am initializing one string. In the next line I printed this string, so this will print the hello into the output screen. But the problem in the printf and scanf function in the string is, while getting the input in the scanf function, if it finds the null character, that is space or nothing, then it will stop reading the input. After the space or null character, this won't get the input. In the printf function also, this won't print after the null character. So this is one of the disadvantages of getting the input and printing the output by using the scanf and printf function. To overcome the problem in the scanf and printf function in the string, there is another two functions called gets and puts function. These two functions are the same as the printf and scanf functions, but while getting and printing the output, this will consider the spaces or null character. Gets functions is like a scanf function, but this gets the input after the null character or space. Puts function is like a printf function. This prints the output including the space. Whatever the input which is given by the user, that will be printed into the output screen. In this example, gets a, so this gets the input in the string name a until 19 characters including this space. In the next line, puts a, whatever the input which is stored in the string a will be printed into the output screen. For example, if the user gives more than 19 character including the space means this will create an error message.